So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Apecoin crypto here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is opened up, I want you to go to the middle bottom here and select the magnifying glass icon. Then at the top where it says search by name or symbol, I want you to start typing in Apecoin, ticker symbol APE or APE. Once it is selected, go to the bottom here and press buy. Now type in the amount of Apecoin that you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do $3 worth, you type in 3, 4, 5. You can even do decimals, etc. Once the amount is selected, press review. Then you can review the order by seeing how much Apecoin you'd be buying, the total fees, the total cost, etc. And if this looks good to you, go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Apecoin here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.